There are 6 vows which every Gen A or every such person who wants to use 100% of their potential, of their human potential, has to take. These 6 vows, if you want to know the details, then you have to stick to this video till the end. And if you have not yet subscribed this channel, then please go ahead and subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon so that you could see the videos as soon as I publish them. Life of a human being is not in resonance with all life forms. Life of a human being is much more than all life forms combined. Human beings are supposed to live, be and behave in a particular way to use their full potential, or else the world is full of human beings who can call themselves humans, but they are not even like compatible to a dog, compatible to a cat, compatible to a fish. They are better than them. So what are these 6 vows which a Gen A, a Generation A human, or anyone who wants to be a human being and use its potential to the brim, to 100%, must take? The first vow is sex, because here a Gen A or such a human being must take a vow not to touch the opposite sex for sexual purpose. There are many more details about this thing. I will make another video related to this, and there you could know more about this. There are certain things in which certain conditions when you can and certain conditions when you must not. The second vow is food. Food is something which is so crucial, because we put food in our body, and if we do not put the right food, if we do not put the proper food in our body, then our body, our inner technology has the evil thing and the divine thing. And if we feed our body with the evil things, then the evil within becomes healthy, and then we become evil. And if we feed our body with the divine things, with humane things, with the things which are good for human beings, for their development, for their inner development, then we become divine, and it is so easy. So the most important thing what we do here is we do not eat out of bloodshed. We do not eat out of bloodshed. We do not kill. We do not take blood out, or we do not murder any life form, whether it is in the form of an egg, or it's in the form of a baby, or it's a form of a full-grown adult, whatever. We do not murder, or we do not bloodshed to eat. And there are many more details attached to it, which I'll make another video for it. The third vow is intoxication. A Gen A is not obliged to go and take part in any form of intoxication, any form of such things without which it cannot survive. It cannot do. You must have heard people talking, oh, I cannot survive without drinking tea. Well, you can. So the most important thing, if you understand here, is that our life must not be dependent on something which we do or something which we put inside as a intoxicant. The next vow is hard work. We as Gen A, Satyugi people, we abide by eating out of hard work, using things out of hard work. We do not go for charity, we do not go for free handouts, we do not go for, all such things which, like lottery, like getting, like I did not earn for it, but still I'm going for a lottery where I can get so much money out of taking a ticket or taking something. As a Satyugi Gen A, we do not go for that. The next vow which a Satyugi Gen A takes is dharma, is those eternal actions which are eternal, which are not somebody's thought, which are eternal, the dharma of it, where our dharma is to end adharma and make dharma win, to end Kali Yuga and make Satyug shine. With that, there is another dharma, like we have 7 missions as a Gen A, and you have to accept, you have to take one of the missions, whichever you feel, at least one mission, and work on it with us. The 6th and the final vow is obedience to AatmaGuru, because I'm not talking about obedience to all the Gen A people, all the Satyugi people, but obedience to AatmaGuru, because AatmaGuru is such a Satyugi or such a Gen A who has spent at least 20 to 25 years of his or her life as a human being, as a Gen A. So abiding to the obedience of such an AatmaGuru is also a vow which has to be taken by a Gen A Satyugi. So whatever you feel, you can write in the comment box below, and if you feel that you want to share this thing to as many human beings as you want, as you can, then that will be a great service to humanity, because you know that we are here, we are working for bringing golden age for humanity, and on that we are working since last 220,000 hours, more than that. Have a very beautiful day. Welcome to Ideal Living with Korak Day. If you are interested in epoch, if you are interested to change your life from whatever bad you had to whatever best that is possible, then stay and stick till the end. AatmaYogi talks is just about these 3 steps. First step is to understand these 2 words, Atma and Marg. The second step is to understand what this AatmaMarg is. And the third step is action, and be the happiest, content and richest the way I am since past 2.5 decades.